What I've done here is removed the mold from around this one. You can see the other mold here in the background. I'm using rare earth magnets to stretch the plastic over the top to keep it clean. What I've done here is remove the mold from this one, and I've pulled the plastic from down the sides. I'm still in the process of doing that. And what I'm going to do is put a circle with the diameter of what I want to cut out of this on here and actually cut it out. And then I'm going to retain these corners, put everything back in the mold, but put plastic in only around the blank of the turning blank. That way I won't have to epoxy all these corners, and I can save on my epoxy. The reason being is the epoxy is quite expensive, and there's no sense in pouring it where I'm going to throw it away anyway. Okay, I'm measuring it to see what diameter circle that I would want. It looks like I can get an 18 out of that. Now, what I have to be able to do is hold this down on here, which is a very uneven surface, while I cut the perimeter. And I think what I'm going to do is, I can't draw it on here because the lower surface is too textured. So I'm going to have to find some way of holding this on here, and then just take the bandsaw and go along the edge of the pattern. Now is I'm going to accent where the pattern is through the masking tape. That way, when I'm sawing it on a bandsaw, I can see the line and cut it. And as I go, I'll keep making sure the pattern is in the same spot. And it's really no big deal if it slips a bit, because we're going to turn down the edge somewhat anyways. So the actual platter that we're going to make, or bowl we're going to make, is going to be, it's probably going to be in the neighborhood of 17.5 inches in diameter.